In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot the MoneyGram app on your phone. It's not unusual to encounter issues with apps, but with a few simple steps, you can usually resolve these problems and get everything working smoothly again. Let's walk through each step together. First, it's always a great idea to start with a clean slate. Go ahead and restart your phone. This might sound simple, but restarting your device can clear up temporary glitches and refresh the system. By turning your phone off and back on again, you're giving it a chance to reset, which can often solve many underlying issues you weren't aware of. Once your phone is back on, we're ready to dive into the next step. Next, it's important to make sure your MoneyGram app is updated to the latest version. App developers continuously release updates to fix bugs and improve performance, so having the current version is crucial for optimal functionality. Go to your phone's app store and check for any available updates for the MoneyGram app. If there's an update, download and install it. Doing this ensures you're running the most stable and efficient version of the app. Now let's talk about clearing the app cache. Over time, apps store temporary data which can take up space and cause your app to slow down or not work correctly. Head over to your phone's settings and find your app manager or similar option. Locate the MoneyGram app in the list and select it, then look for the option to clear the cache. Remember, clearing the app cache won't delete any crucial data, but will remove these temporary files that could be affecting performance. If updating and clearing the cache don't resolve the issue, don't worry. Our next step is to try reinstalling the app. Sometimes a fresh installation can fix persistent problems. Go ahead and remove MoneyGram from your phone by uninstalling it through the app manager. Once it's uninstalled, go back to your app store, search for MoneyGram, and reinstall it. This fresh start can help clear up any problem that may have occurred due to file corruptions or incomplete updates. Finally, check your internet connection. A stable connection is vital for apps like MoneyGram that rely on real-time data exchange. You can confirm this by trying to load a web page or streaming a video. If you're having connectivity issues, try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data or restart your router. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most issues with the MoneyGram app on your phone. Restarting your device, updating the app, clearing the cache, reinstalling, and ensuring a good internet connection can solve many of the common problems you might run into. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these tips were helpful.